Hey Simmers, welcome back to my channel. If you're a Sims 4 player like me, you know that custom content and mods can take your game to the next level. But if you're on a Mac, you might be wondering how to get started. Don't worry, I got you covered. Today I'm going to show you how to download Sims 4 CC and mods on your Mac. Let's get started. Before we start, you need to enable mods in the game. Launch your game like you always do. From the main menu, click on Game Options, then select Other. Make sure to check boxes for script mods and custom content mods. After that is finished, click Apply Changes. Finding the perfect CC and mods can be a fun treasure hunt. Some of the most trustworthy websites include The Sims Resource, Mod The Sims, Patreon, and Pinterest. To prevent malware or corrupted files, always make sure you're downloading from a reliable source. Now that you know where to start downloading, to begin, launch your browser and go to the desired website. Use the website's search feature or browse through the categories to find the CC you're looking for. Click the download button after you have found something. It's time to install our CC and mods into your game now that they have been downloaded. On your dock, click the Finder icon. Next, click on Documents, then click Electronic Arts, The Sims 4, Mods. Drag and drop the downloaded files into your mods folder. Make sure to keep your files organized to reduce confusion and to make it easier to keep track of the CC and mods you're using. Think about making folders inside your mod folder. For example, you may have folders named Furniture, Hair, Clothes, etc. It will be easy to manage your mods and troubleshoot any issues you have. To accomplish this, click the three-dot circle and select New Folder. After that, you should give it a name and place the downloaded file inside the folder. Now you want to open up your game. A pop-up window displaying the CC or mod you recently downloaded will appear when your game loads. Now what you want to do is head into a save file or create a new household and check out your new content. Okay, so you want to click the area of the body that you want to change. Then click the arrow and click custom content. The next step is to click the download an item, which should appear on your sim. Simmers, there you have it. You are now prepared to use great CC and mods on your Mac to improve your Sims 4 experience. Please subscribe for more Sim videos and give me a thumbs up if you found this guide helpful. Happy simming. Bye.